Good morning. I believe it's about 9:20 in the morning right now. I am at Haleakalā on a different trail. I think I'm gonna do the pt.2 trail today. I'm gonna go check out the bamboo forest, the 7 sacred pools, and what else? The waterfall at the end of the trail. So I'll need my sunglasses on because it's kind of gloomy today. It'll be cloudy for the rest of the weekend. I only have 2 more days left here, but scenery is beautiful. I'm at the visitor center right now, but I will show you more when I start walking. Oh, I love that you can see the mountains up top. It's not that busy today. There's the visitor center. The ocean is just down there. Oh, there's a sign. Okay. So I am right here. I want to do, technically we should go like this, loop this, come back, and then go all the way up to the bamboo forest. There's a large banyan tree, that's what I want to see too. Bridges, the bamboo forest, and then the Waimoku Falls. I am wearing my bathing suit underneath here, but I did not plan to swim. Just in case I decide to go to the beach afterwards and when the sun comes out. So better become prepared. I have everything I need in my backpack. I don't know if you can see my backpack, but let's go. It'll be about a 5-mile walk if I can do this. You can see out in the distance, there is someone camping out there. Their tent's right there. It's pretty amazing. I also want to make sure to stay on the trails and not to disturb any of the archaeological sites. So, make sure we stay on track. Found the 7 sacred pools. It is closed off. I'm not gonna go down there. It just looks so beautiful from up here. So, let me give you a quick little peek. Black sand was a fat wasp, and I decided just to run over it really quickly while screaming, but I made it. I'm gonna put my phone away so I can climb this without tripping or dying. I'll talk to you in a little. I don't know where the hell I'm at, but this is a beautiful spot. Beautiful scenery. My legs are so tired. A lot of stairs, but the waterfall looks dry, but I do hear running water down there. It is far, don't fall. Wow. The ocean is right there. Okay. Time to finish the walk. Catch you in a little bit. In the bamboo forest. This is so beautiful. I can't even, there's little hidden trails everywhere. But it's so cooling, so refreshing. Let's continue. I've seen videos of people jumping from here. Amazing. I'm not gonna risk it though. These bamboos look amazing. I believe the bamboo forest is halfway up this trail already, so I have a little longer to go, or maybe I have about a mile and a half. I got that so bad. Look at that. I'm trying my very best not to scratch it because I love scratching bug bites and I'm allergic to mosquito bites, so I'm gonna swell up. But you know what? It was worth it. Look, it's a baby bamboo. I'm gonna remember you. When I come back in a few years, you'll be so grown up. I heard lots of great reviews about this place from locals and from tourists, so I wanted to try it. Huli-Huli chicken. Pork rib. Done. I'm gonna sit on it. My crotch hurts. Hello, puppies. Hello. Beautiful beach day. Got some sun in, thank goodness. I see some doggies. Look. Hello. Oh. So cute. I'm at Hamoa Beach. This beach is so pretty. Decided to go to the waves, setting my phone down just so I can run deep into the ocean. No regrets. Honestly, the waves look so much more intimidating up close. I was kind of scared going deeper into it, and the water wasn't that cold actually. It was pretty warm, which was really nice. Thank you so much for watching my vlog. I had a really fun time today. I hope you enjoyed it, and I'll catch you in my next video.